that you can give to silent people. The money that you have, you would have been giving this money to people who are in need of money. The people that have not been paid for months and months, those are the people that will benefit from the money you have, Adut. You can never silence people. The allegations that have been put under your name, if they are not true, why are you so angry? Why are you going all over the place trying a different way to silence people, Adut? That is not going to work, Adut. I thought you were different. You were going to come and change things and support your father and encourage your father to resign, because your own father, Kirdit, is at that aged care age. President Kirmayadit cannot even shower himself. Another man have to give him a bath and moisturize him and dress him. President Kir cannot even walk properly. President Kir cannot even talk properly. Instead of you encourage your own father to resign, but you are supporting what your father is doing. And people of South Sudan are going to lose their life. The people of South Sudan are going to lose their life, and it's not good. People have died enough. 2016, the war happened in Juba, and a lot of people lost their life. And if your father insisted for people to go to war with IO, then your own father need to put your 4 brothers in the front. Teague need to be in the front, Mayar need to be, and Lual and Manut. They need to put the uniform on and go and fight. Because in 2016, Riek Machar lost 2 of his sons. So let your brother be in the front to lead people so they can fight. Your brother cannot just be sitting around enjoying the champagne and Hennessy, and other children are being forced to go to war and fight with Nuer, while your brothers are living, enjoying their life. And sons of Madinga will have privilege of dying, and your brothers have privilege of living a good life. Adut, you need to know this, or you need to do your own research, or you need to remind people that work with you. South Sudan is being sanctioned internationally. South Sudan don't have any power. South Sudan don't have any relationship with the Australia government or UK government for South Sudan to extradite somebody to Junub Sudan. South Sudan don't have that power. South Sudan is the corrupted country. South Sudan don't have that relationship for South Sudan to have the power, because somebody is speaking the freedom of speech on social media. South Sudan don't have that power to go to another country to bring that person to Junub Sudan. South Sudan don't have that power, dude. You can only control and intimidate people who are in South Sudan. Outside of South Sudan, you can never control a dude. Or you can never do anything. Even you send your ambassador cannot do anything. Your ambassador can never do anything, Adut. If anything happened to Simon D. Adut, you will pay. You will pay, Adut. This is not the people that you put in jail. It's not what you did to Ahmad Jok last time and you got away with it. But this time, Adut, it will be different. It will be different, Nyan Bai. Because I myself, I have already reported your 4 sibling brother and your sister, 6 of you guys, I have already reported you guys to the government. So you, Adut, your brother Mayar, and your brother Manut, and your brother Lual, and Thiek and Anok. This is not a joke. If shit go left in South Sudan, Adut, you will never come to Australia. Because if you come to Australia, you will be arrested at the airport. And this is not a joke. You cannot intimidate people, Adut. You cannot intimidate people. Your father been in power for how long? For 20 years, and nothing has changed. If this is a Dinka and Nuer problem, then why the opportunity is not given to somebody else other than Dinka and Nuer? It should be given to anybody from a 64 tribe. Because if Dinka and Nuer are the problem in South Sudan, it should be given to somebody else. Everyone in South Sudan, the 64 tribe, has contributed during war. It's not just Dinka and Nuer. All the 64 tribes have contributed. Why this opportunity is not being given? Why your father is being too greedy, does not want to step down? We don't want more bloodshed. We want this peaceful transitioning for somebody else to come and take over without any war. We just want a peaceful transitioning without any war. But you are so busy focusing what's happening on social media. You are so busy giving people money to silence people, Adut. It's not going to help you. The more you continue to try to silence people, the more things will get worse for you, Adut. I myself, from now on, I will not be quiet anymore. Maybe once a week I'll be making video, Adut. From now on, you cannot silence people, Adut. Your father, President Kir Mayadit, is too old. He cannot shower himself. Another person has to shower him. Another man have to shower your own father and dress your own father. President Kir Mayadit cannot even walk properly. President Kir Mayadit cannot even talk properly. What is President Kir Mayadit doing? If you guys have, if your brain is working, or if you guys care about your own father, why can you guys just say, you know what, enough? If you reach this stage, you cannot shower yourself, then you need to resign so somebody else can take over. But you guys are so selfish, you don't want to. You don't want to. Like now, another man, Mawina Dior, is the one that keeps showering your father. Is the one that taking care of your father, hygiene. And this is the president that people are still think like, oh, this is a Dinka kingdomship. People are still supporting your own father, and other people, children, are the one that are going to die, while your brothers are busy with their own life. And anybody else support President Kir regime, and you think President Kir is doing the right thing, put your uniform on, carry your gun, go and fight. If you are in Australia, if you are in South, if you are in America, if you are in UK, and you support President Kir regime, you think President Kir is doing the right thing, while civilians are dying, while the innocent soldiers are dying, put your uniform on, go and fight. Because those soldiers are hungry. Those soldiers, they have not even been paid. And look at what President Kir was doing. People were being promoted with the rank. And instead of calling for peace, to stop the war, to save people, life of South Sudan, it was just promoting people. It was just promoting people with rank. Then what is your father is doing? Nothing. There's nothing changed. Your father does not even care about the life of people in South Sudan, Adut. So you, Adut, stop. Stop and leave people alone. And leave people alone. If you are doing the right thing, focus on that and leave people alone. There is no money can silence people who are outside of South Sudan. So put that in your head, Adut. You need to encourage your own father to resign. Because like now, what is your father doing? Nothing. He's busy. He's moving from room to room like a little baby. And now his two side chicks are fighting too over Kir Mayadit, who is going to be a main carer, looking after him. Achol is the main carer, Atiye want to be the main carer, and now they are fighting each other. Achol put Atiye under house arrest. And it's just embarrassing. It's just totally embarrassing. So you nyan bai, yamako wur, kule wur blue resign. There's nothing good's going to happen. People are going to lose their life this time. People are going to lose their life. Kutongana ache tong butok. Tabin koi kok ban lato, the same thing abro loy. Kabro ban duk pintani ku Nuer aban ben kulika ben tor ku monjang ache tong bukang tok. Yin nyan bai, do the right thing, Adut. Do the right thing, darling. Chol tong Nuer ko monjang chola catch. Let this year be the year for war in South Sudan to stop. Let this year in South Sudan, let this South Sudan this year be the end of Dinka and Nuer war. Let this 2026 be the year of blessing. Let this 2026 be the year the Nuer and Dinka war is done completely, no more war. Let people live in peaceful. Let people have the unity. Let people have equality.